The 2000 Mercury Grand Marquis. The Grand Marquis offers the roomiest interior and the most spacious trunk in its class. The class-exclusive standard V8 engine delivers 224 horsepower and can run on a unique blend of gasoline and ethanol, E85. It's also the only car in its class to receive the government's highest 5-star front crash test rating 15 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air conditioning, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, power steering, cruise control, 4-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, passenger airbag. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.